To the world, you are a mother. But to your family, you are the world. Beautiful, no? Beautiful. Kaya celebrate natin yung ating mga superheroes, yung mga simpleng-simpleng mga nanay natin na nasa background lang lagi. Parang si mamang ko, nasa background lang lagi. Ayaw niya nga, kaya sabi niya dati, huwag mo akong binabanggit lagi sa Winner Ka Pinoy. Hindi ko naman siya din laging binabanggit. You know, Mother's Day lang naman ako talaga nagde-dedicate sa kanya ng episode talaga. Yan. Ah, there's this beautiful song na what's this now? That really reflects minsan kung papaano yung mga nanay natin talaga. And I'd like to sing a portion of it. Hindi lang para sa mamang ko, pero kundi para sa lahat ng mga nanay na nasa background lang. Nasa background lang, di ba? Andun ka lang lagi sa likod, andun ka lang lagi, di ba? Pag kailangan ka ng anak mo, nandun ka lang lagi. So, this one's for you, mothers out there. This song is the song Wind Beneath My Wings by Bette Midler. Hindi ko alam kung makakanta ko to ng buo, pero I'll try lang po. Kasi nga, tribute eh. Ang sabi natin kanina, a tribute can be an act. So, pwede rin siyang song, a statement, or a gift. Ayan. So, para ito sa mga nanay na laging nasa likuran ng kanilang mga anak. Pushing them, nudging them, believing in them, caring for them. Yun naman talaga ang role nating mga nanay, di ba? Ang mahalin lang natin yung ating mga anak through it all. Magkamali man yung mga anak natin, we'll still be there. Husgahan man ng buong mundo yung anak natin ng sama-sama mo. Pero ang nanay, ay naku, hindi, andon pa rin, di ba? So, this is for you, beautiful mother, who's always the wind beneath the wings of your child, of your son, your daughter. Sana makanta ko to na maayos. Anyway, it must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. That's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle, for you are the wind beneath my wings. It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know it. I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. I could fly higher than an eagle, for you are the wind beneath my wings. I hope you liked it, dear mother. You are really the wind beneath your child's wings. We would be nothing without you. Yun yung mensahe naming mga anak para sa inyo na mga ina, mga nanay. At yun din ang mensahe siguro ng anak ko sa akin. So, celebrate you today. Celebrate the hero in you, the heroine in you.